Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about that whether people those are speaking English language as a first language, whether they should learn another language, exotic language or not, or English speaking is enough for them. When the whole world is providing them the facility of English speaking, when we are providing them the facility of speaking their own language, because when we come across with the English person, we speak with him in English language, so we are providing him facility of speaking English language, his language. He is not speaking our language. So I think that the person who is providing you the facility of speaking your language is more better than you, because that person has learnt the language by his efforts, by his hard working. Because learning another language is not easy task, it is very difficult task, and one should have to do a lot of hard work and a lot of time spending. Only then he becomes able to speak another language. So I think that English person should learn another language to know the importance of learning the language, another language, that is exotic language. And most of the people are learning, but not lot of people. Some people are learning, not in high number. So as a non-native, in all countries of the world, people are learning English language as a non-native English speaker, and just they are learning to provide the facilities to others. And because you know that this language is the global language, and the language of communication. When you speak your own national language, the other person is speaking his national language, you both don't know the each other languages. Only the language that will make the connection between you two is the English language. So the rest of the world is learning this language. So I think that the person who has learnt another language by his hard work as a second language, we should give that person the credit, because as I told you that it takes time to learn another language, and learning another language is not easy. And if you want to improve your English language, right now with the help of social media, there are a lot of things uploaded on social media through which you can get help to improve your English language. And I think that when we talk about English language, there are so many stuff, articles, or you can say that videos on YouTube are uploaded. You can get help wherever you find any kind of difficulty while English learning. Then you can browse on social media, you can search the things of your interest, and you can get the replies of your queries. Whatever query is coming in your mind, the social media is available to give you the proper answers. There are so many answers, there are a lot of answers. Choose which you are interested in. In this way, if someone is willing to learn a new language, there is no excuse that I don't have platform, I don't have a teacher or coach. Your best coach, your best teacher is in your hand in the shape of a cell phone. And if in your area the internet facility is available, then the world is in your hand, and you can learn anything where you are interested in. So don't make excuses if you are interested to learn English language. If you are interested, then start right now, today, from today. Learn English language. After some, I think that if you are good, you are intelligent, that then after 1 year you will improve yourself. And if you are not too much intelligent, you are a dullard kind of person, then it will take time. You will take time to improve yourself. And improving English language, I think it takes years as a second language learner, because English is not your first language, and you are learning this language as a second language. So time is required to improve yourself, and consistent hard work. If you are not doing the consistent hard work, then I think that it will be difficult for you to improve in short time. If you want to improve English in short time, then do your struggle on daily basis, set your goal, and make a schedule for your study, that during the day period you will do reading, writing, listening, speaking. Speaking is important. When you will not speak, you will not improve. So speak on daily basis. If you don't find any kind of person with whom you can speak, then you can speak with yourself. You can make videos like this, and you can then check your videos that whether you have spoken right or wrong, and where there are you find mistakes, try to correct them in your next speech. In this way you will improve your English language very soon. Main thing is the interest. If you are interested, then you can improve. If you are not interested, then you are wasting your time. So set a goal and create interest inside you, and start now, then surely you will improve your English language one day. Hope you find this video useful. In next video I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me, Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.